Good day, everyone. Now, today's nugget is titled The Glory in Obedience, and our text is taken from Jeremiah chapter 1, verse 5. Before I formed thee, in the belly I knew thee, and before thou camest forth out of the womb, I sanctified thee, and ordained thee a prophet unto the nation. This implies that Jeremiah shows us that glorifying God is not for easy moment. It happens in when we respond to his call. And when we accept his correction, God told Jeremiah, do not be afraid. You must go where I send you. And you say unto them, I command you. To glorify God is not about having the perfect plan. It's about radical obedience in the face of opposition. But Israel rejected God's correction, exchanged his glory for worldliness, idol, and dug broken cisterns that cannot hold water. The danger is real. If we do not glorify God with our lives, we will glorify idols, and in doing so, we become worthless like them. The Rema nugget here is God cost overrides your excuses. Jeremiah was young, afraid, and unqualified, but God what qualifies him. So you her. 2. Obedience glorify God, disobedience dishonor him. Every act of obedience points upward to his greatness. And the third one, correction is love. To resist God's correction is to choose emptiness over living water. And the last one, you reflect what you worship. Follow idols, you shrink. Follow Christ, you shine. And our prayer is, Lord, help me to answer your call without fear. Tear down every idol in my life and redirect me to the spring of living water. May my obedience glorify you in the midst of trials, and may my correction lead me back to you, not away from you. In Jesus' name. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you.